special video cast.
You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers markets news and share trading signals from experts. I'm Jessie Wang. First, the US dollar. The dollar fell on Tuesday after inflation's data show a larger than expected fall in CPI in March, increasing expectations that the Fed would prolong its easing cycle. The greenback ended the day at 1.3176 to the euro and 97.51 to the yen. Today's data includes the release of the beige Fed book. Next to the euro. The euro rebounded on Tuesday after inflation in the eurozone came out higher than expected, reducing the likelihood the European Central Bank would embark on more quantitative easings, and the global risk appetite rose on the back of strong corporate earnings. The single currency ended the day at 1.3176 to the dollar and 128.51 to the yen. Today's data includes the eurozone's construction output in February. British pound. The pound rose on Tuesday after the UK inflation rate remains relatively high, limiting the likelihood the Bank of England will increase asset purchases. The sterling ended the day at 1.5361 to the dollar and 0.8575 to the euro. Today's data includes the minutes from the last Bank of England's meeting and the unemployment rate, which is expected to remain unchanged at 7.8%. Japanese yen. The yen fell on Tuesday after safety flows dries up, following a rebound in risk appetite as a result of positive corporate earnings. The yen ended the day at 97.51 to the dollar and 128.51 to the euro. Today's data includes the trade balance in March, which is expected to see the deficits fall to negative 522 billion in March, and exports which are forecast to rise to 0.2. And now the section you've been waiting for, Markets Tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provide you daily trading signals from experts in the field. If your pair is Euro versus US dollar, our preference is open long positions above 1.314, with targets of 1.32 and 1.323. The downside penetrations are 1.314, which will call for 1.3105 and 1.308. If we trade British pounds against US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.532 with 1.5385 and 1.541 as next targets. The downside penetrations are 1.532, which will call for rebounds toward 1.53 and 1.5265. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long positions above 97.5 with 98.7 and 99.1. The downside breaks out to 97.5, which will open the way to 97.1 and 96.5. Good luck and happy tradings. Tune in tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Jessie Wang and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a good day.